there is about a half a ton of it, liquid, glowing. It has nothing, no business being there. So you have this mass of metal. Obviously, they call the
glowing. You say it's molten.
Yes,
so it's liquid,
the weather
hot.
is freezing. We know the temperature and everything else. It's freezing. The grass is on fire around it. They call the firemen call the police gets there, and the firemen get there. They stop the fire. The fire is, would have died by itself. There's no problem there. They take pictures of the thing glowing. I have the pictures, infrared, Polaroid pictures of the thing glowing in the grass, burning. Liquid. And it's going to stay liquid for a couple of hours, and it cools down gradually. And then people take pieces of it as souvenirs. So I have the pieces of it, and there they are. Now, there was analysis done by 2 labs. Obviously, the question is, where did that come from? There is chromium, titanium, and iron, which you can find in ordinary steel, but this isn't really, the composition isn't exactly what you'd expect industrial steel to be. So one of the chemical analyses is done at the lab, for industrial steel. The investigators call the company. The company says, yes, we make steel. So we have furnaces, but we empty the furnaces. This is over a weekend. The factory is closed. There would be nobody there, and certainly no liquid steel in our factory
so
on that day.
Half a ton of it.
They have, yeah.
And this is a half a ton that they found sitting there.
So then they call the Strategic Air Command, because B-52s fly over that town. B-52 is a big thing, and the people saw something in the sky. So, maybe it was the Air Force, politely laughs at them and says, we carry atom bombs, but we don't carry furnaces with molten steel.